No one really tells you this, but finding the best free builder website AI tool isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to build websites with old school drag and drop editors that promised simplicity but somehow made everything feel slower and more frustrating. I spent hours moving blocks around, adjusting spacing, changing fonts, previewing the page again and again, and still nothing ever looked the way I wanted. It felt like I was putting in so much effort just to get something that looked unfinished and unprofessional. So in this video, I'll walk you through 3 super clear steps that show you how to get a beautiful, professional website using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. This is the exact process that helped me stop overthinking and finally enjoy building websites again. Instead of fighting the tool, you'll feel like the tool is actually helping you. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is once you see it in action. The link to Hostinger is in the description, but there's no special discount, just the program itself. Step 1. Sign up and access Horizon. Here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started with Hostinger's Horizons, AI tool, and seeing how fast you can launch your first website. This is usually the step where people feel intimidated, but with Horizons it feels surprisingly calm and welcoming. When I signed up for Hostinger and opened Horizons, I literally had my first website project started in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how simple and clean the dashboard was. There were no scary menus, no confusing settings, just a big Create Website button that made it obvious what to do next. Right away, it felt like the platform was designed for beginners, not just developers. First, you go to the Hostinger website and click Get Started. You create your account, log in, and land on your main dashboard. From there, you look at the left menu and find the Horizon section. You click on Horizons and you'll see a bright Try Now button. Once you click it, you're taken straight into the AI chat interface, ready to build. There's no long setup process and no pressure to choose a template right away. You're simply dropped into a space where you can describe what you want, and the AI takes it from there. This alone removes so much friction and stress from the process. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's AI Builder is completely free to start. You can experiment with different website ideas, regenerate designs, and explore layouts as much as you want before publishing anything. You don't have to commit until you're genuinely happy with what you see. But the real game changer is what happens when you start describing your website idea to the AI. Step 2. Describe your website to the AI. Now here comes my totally obsessed part. Telling the AI exactly what you want and watching it do the heavy lifting. This is where everything starts to click. When I type something like, I want a modern landing page for a new fitness app with a sign-up form and testimonials, the AI literally built the entire page for me. The layout made sense, the sections were in the right order, and the call to action was clear and visible. I remember thinking, wait, this is a game changer, because it already looked like something you'd see from a professional designer. To do this, you simply type into the AI chat and describe your website's purpose in 1 or 2 sentences. For example, you might say, create a landing page for my online course with a hero section, benefits list, and a sign-up form. You don't need marketing jargon or design terminology. Just explain your goal clearly. The AI then generates the full structure of your website. It chooses layouts, colors, fonts, and even writes sample text to help you visualize the final result. You can preview the entire design instantly and see how everything flows together from top to bottom. If something doesn't feel right, you can ask the AI to make changes. You can say things like, add a pricing section, make the headline more bold, or change the color palette to blue. And if you want to explore a completely different look, you can regenerate the design as many times as you want until it really feels like you. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's I can suggest headlines, calls to action, and color palettes that match your vibe. If you want something clean and professional, playful and fun, or super cute and friendly, you just say it in your prompt, and the AI adjusts everything to match that feeling. But the real magic is how easy it is to customize everything and make the website truly yours. Step 3. Customize, publish, and share your website. Now here comes my super creative part. making your AI-generated website totally yours and sharing it with the world. This is where your personality and brand really start to show. When I started customizing my website, I was honestly shocked at how easy everything felt. I clicked on text and replaced it with my real content. I uploaded my own photos by dragging and dropping them into place. I adjusted colors using simple color picker tools. What used to take me hours with other builders literally took about 10 minutes with Hostinger. I was totally obsessed with how intuitive the whole editor was. First, you click on any text element to edit it with your real content. Then you upload your images by clicking on Image Placeholders. You can adjust colors, backgrounds, and fonts with simple visual controls that don't require any technical knowledge. If you want to add or remove sections, you just use Hostinger's drag and drop interface. You can rearrange sections, delete what you don't need, or add new elements like buttons, forms, or testimonials. Everything stays aligned and consistent automatically, which makes your site feel polished without extra effort. When you're ready, you click the Publish button in the top right corner. Hostinger instantly generates a live website link for you. You can copy the link or scan the QR code to open it on your phone. From there, you can share your website on social media, add it to your email signature, or send it directly to clients or friends. And the best part is that nothing is permanent. If you want to change something later, you just click Edit, make your updates, and hit Publish again. Your site updates instantly with no downtime. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger websites are instantly mobile-friendly and work across different devices and browsers. You don't have to worry about screen sizes, operating systems, or compatibility. One click and your site just works everywhere. Now let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with this approach. If you hired a professional web designer, you'd easily pay between $3,000 and $10,000. If you try to learn traditional web design, you'd spend 6 to 12 months in classes and practice. With Hostinger, you're spending less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, and you can have your website live in a single weekend. That comparison alone completely changes how you think about building websites. A lot of people ask, but what if I'm not creative? And the answer is simple. The AI does the creative heavy lifting for you. You just guide it. Others worry about not knowing what sections they need, but Hostinger's AI suggests proven structures based on real websites. And no, your site won't look generic. You can customize every detail and the AI adapts to your brand. And yes, this really is beginner-friendly. If you can drag and drop, you can build a site like this. The result is immediate. Your website is live in hours, not months. You get to show it off to friends, family, and clients. You save thousands on design and development. And creatively, you finally get to express your vision without stress. So here's the real question. Are you ready to build your own website the smart way? Click the link in the description to try Hostinger for yourself. No special code needed, just the program. Open it up, describe your idea, and see how fast it turns into a real professional website. Join our community, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. If you've been waiting for the right moment to build your website, this is it. Your dream website is literally just a few clicks away. Let's make it happen together.